Hi guys, so on today's video, I'm just going to show you how to create a Google Meet and send to your client, add to your client's calendar, and all. So I think this is the most formal way for you to have meeting between you and your clients, or between you with someone, especially your probably your lecturer or course advisor, anyone. So I'm just going to show you how you can create a meeting. Yeah, it's not really hard, it's not complicated. So first thing you want to do is just go to meet.google. You get to this particular website. So the website is Google website, basically just meet.google.com. And you see this interface. Yeah, this is how it looks like. It's not really complicated. So we have the meeting, calls, new meeting, enter a code or link. So you must have seen some programs where they attach Google link to it. So you can just, let's say you want to join a program, you can just copy the link and paste here, then you join a particular program. It's that easy. But if you want to create your own meeting and send it to someone, let me just show you how to do it. So there are three ways to do this. One, you want to create a meeting for later. Two, you want to start an instant meeting. The meeting starts now. Three, you want to schedule this meeting in someone else's calendar and your calendar. So probably you want to have meeting next tomorrow. You probably want to schedule it today. So this is the one you're going to use, schedule in Google Calendar. So I'll just show you a brief summary of the three. First one, create a meeting for later. Once you click on it, it gives you a link. This link you can share with anyone. They can join whenever they want to join. As far as you guys know when the meeting is, you get. So that's one. The other one is start an instant meeting. So this meeting starts instantly, like now. So once I click on it, it starts the meeting. So I can copy this link and share to the person I want to have the meeting right now. So I can just share to the person and they join. Then I'll go back. The last one is schedule in Google Calendar. This is the most popular and this is the one most persons use. You can just click on it here. It's going to redirect you to this page. Now I'm just going to walk you through it. So we have the title. The title basically is the title of the meeting you want to have. Probably I want to have a meeting concerning content review. They want to review my content and stuff like that. So I can just title it that. Or you want to have review between you and your client, or you want to negotiate price between you and your client. So I'm just going to name this what's it called, review. I'll just leave it like this. Then you pick the dates that you want. So it's April 1st 2026 currently, so you can change the dates. Probably I want to have the meeting tomorrow between 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I'll just leave it like this, or you can just change the date to 9:15, or you can type the date that you want. Let's say 9:35. So you can pick the date too. You can change the time zone also. Yeah, change the time zone for clients that are not in Nigeria or that are not in your country. Then this meeting is it for all the do not repeat. So I'm just going to explain this do not repeat. So what it means is that add this particular meeting to my calendar, but once this time elapses or this date pass, just remove it from my calendar. It's not happening again. Now the next one means daily. The meeting is reoccurring. So today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, same time. So that was what it means. Then weekly on Thursday, or you can customize it. Then we have event details. That's the meeting details. You want to add location, notification. How do you want me to notify you before your meeting? So is it 30 minutes before the meeting? Should I notify you, or 20 minutes, 29 minutes, 28, whatever? You can add notification here, color, busy, default availability, description. What's the meeting about? Yeah. So that's just it. Then here we have guests, add guests. So you can modify the permission for your guest, invite others. So can your guest invite others? Yeah, sure they can. Can they see guest list? Yes, they can. Can modify event, sorry. So that's just it. So if you want to add people to this particular meeting now, you have to get their mail. So most times you fill a Google form, probably put your mail there, then let's say you want to attend a conference, then they send you a Google form, then you put your mail there, then when it's time for the conference, you get a notification that, oh, you're having this conference by this time. So this is basically what they do. They get your mail from the spreadsheet after collecting your So after you fill your Google form, basically, they collect the mails, like let's say like 100 mails, then they just copy everything, they paste here, they add you as guest. So let's say I want to add myself as guest. I've added myself as guest. Now, if I save this particular meeting, I'm going to get a notification one that I have been added to a content calendar, sorry, a meeting rather. And two, it will be added to my calendar directly. So when the day comes, I will get a notification. So now I can just click on save. Would you like to send invitation emails to the Google Calendar guest? Yeah. Once I click on save, I get a mail on my phone that I have a meeting. So now it has been added to my calendar. We have review here. So April 2nd at this particular time. This is the organizer, this is me. So I can edit this meeting if I still want to. Yeah. You can do a lot of things you want to do here. So that's just basically it. So that's how you create meetings. It's not that complicated like that. So if you like this video, yeah, just like, follow for more. Till then, bye.